Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is October the 16th, 2018, and we're back down here in the pepper patch in the hollow garden. And I wanted to show you here. These got a little nip by frost here. They're calling for 32-degree temperatures coming for us, I believe. 30. Okay, sorry about that. It's about 45 degrees right now. So we're going to be down here picking all of the peppers because we don't want to lose them. If a frost or freeze hits the pepper fruit themselves, it will cause them to rot and make them no good. So we'll start harvesting here, and I'll show you then what we got off of them. So I wanted to show you one of the bases. This is one of the stalks. This is the bottom base of one of the pepper plants. How big around that thing is? It's pretty big around. Sort of like a little miniature pepper tree in a way. And this was one of the sweet banana peppers. You can see. No wait. You know what? This was one of the. This was one of the bell peppers. Sorry about that, but. There's still more blossoms on them coming. You can see a few real small peppers there. And then over here, this is the sweet banana. You can see one of the little sweet ones there. You can see where the frost, it got just a little bit nipped by the frost. But thankfully, it didn't get down to the actual big peppers. So, you can see these are still loaded with blooms. Very, very pleased with the pepper harvest this year. I'll show you that in a moment here. See here. Different plants now. The deer were in here and they were stomping the plants down. This pepper plant here is well over waist high. This pepper plant here. See how big it is there. And I'll show you what the deer did over here. They were in here stomping the plants down. They were actually eating the peppers. So we had further out in this particular garden here where they actually busted the fence down and they tore through it. So they ate everything that was left. They ate it. The deer did. So we don't really have too many pumpkins this year. The deer mostly devoured them. They were even eating some of the hot peppers. So somehow they figured out how to get into the pepper patch. But I'll show you the harvest here. So we have 6 full bags of sweet peppers that were harvested. We took everything off, whether it was turned colors or not. If it was green, we took everything because we want to make sure that we get them off so they don't get damaged by the frost or the freeze. So I'll show you here some of them. See all green here. This is the purple pepper here. Whoops, oh dear. Have some red ones in here. The big Bertha peppers, they did really good for us this year. They are huge peppers. If you like stuffed peppers, they work really well for that. I'll show you here. That's one of these. Here, I think this one here is a big Bertha. I have had them bigger than this. Big reds did really good for us too. This is a big Bertha here. This one's actually smaller than normal. I did a blog article on them on my website, www.carriesgardeningchannel.com. You can go check that out on there. And these are the sweet banana peppers. In here, sweet banana peppers were very high yielding for us this year. Very pleased with the pepper harvest. Now this is what we call the boo-boo bag, and the reason why we call it that is they had where something got in them or something like that, and we just cut the bed out, and because we're going to be cooking with them, we just try and salvage them. So this is the boo-boo bag here, and these are going to be used, some of these are going to be used tonight in pepper steak. We're going to be making that. So anything with like a blemish or needed used first went in this bag here. And then we have this bag here. We have the little miniature peppers here. I love these little guys. They're really good, really sweet. You can eat them raw. You can eat them on your pizzas and your salads. They're just a cute little mini pepper here. Really sweet. And I'll show you the hot peppers here. This is the hot pepper harvest here. We have one full bag of hots, and then we have another half bag here. These are the hot banana peppers. We have them marked and kept them separate from our sweet ones because we don't want to get them mixed up. But the hot banana peppers, they're very high yielding. Cayenne peppers are very high yielding. They're really spicy. We actually use them in a hoagie spread. We found a recipe for a hoagie spread, and we used the hot peppers in those. While we were in the garden, when we were finding the tags and stuff, we were just pulling the tags out. And anything, I had used these here to mark the hot peppers, so I knew where they were at and knew which plants were the hot ones and the sweet ones, because I didn't want to get them mixed up. And so we were yanking tags out too. One of the varieties of sweet peppers that we grew this year is a Chinese giant one. That did very well for us too. So very, very pleased with the pepper harvest this year. What we're going to be doing with a lot of these peppers is we're probably going to be slicing them up in strips unless we want some for making stuffed peppers with. The ones that we do for strips, we'll actually take the peppers, cut them into slices, put them on cookie sheets, put the cookie sheets in the freezer, let the peppers freeze, and then we'll take the cookie sheets out with the peppers, put them in Seal & Meal zip bags, or yeah, the Seal & Meal vacuum sealer bags. We'll seal them down, put them in the freezer, and then you can use them in your recipes. You can use them on your pizzas, pepper steak, Swiss steak, you can use them in chili, and it's just a really good way to help preserve your pepper harvest. So you can follow me now on Pinterest at Carrie's Gardening Channel, and I'm also on Twitter. I'll have links down below in the description for my website, Twitter, and Pinterest. You can check those out. Thank yous for watching the peppers this year as they grew and harvested them. I did a complete playlist on these, on how I started them from seed, how I grew them, what I fed them. You can check that out on my YouTube channel. And thank yous for watching. Hope you have a nice day. If you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.